Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made Nigeria chocolate meat pie, and these are the ingredients for the filling. So guys, without wasting much time, let's begin. So guys, now we are going to add water. This will help to cook the potato properly and also make the carrots a bit softer. So we are going to leave it to cook for some minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Okay, it's time for us to add our flour. Before we do that, we need to dissolve it with water. This helps to thicken the sauce filling. So now that this filling is ready, it's time for us to mix our dough. So I'm using 4 cups of flour, but we are going to divide the flour into 2 parts. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 pinch of salt, and then mix all the dry ingredients together. I'm also going to be using 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So guys, it's time for us to add the milk. We are going to add it bit by bit, just to make sure that we don't add too much and until we get our required dough. So once the dough is stiff and no longer sticky to the bowl, then you have to stop adding the milk. We have to knead the dough for a few minutes and leave it to rest for some minutes. This will make the dough be more elastic. So it's time for us to mix the second part of the flour, adding baking powder 1 tablespoon, 2 pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So you have to mix properly. Now I'm adding my egg. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. So after mixing properly, then you add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now we are going to add water bit by bit until we get our required dough, just like we did with the first mixing. You also have to rub some butter on your baking pan. This will help the pie from not burning or sticking to the pan. Now it's time for us to share the dough into different portions for the pie. So I'll be using this round bowl to cut out the shape. You can use any shape or any bowl of your choice. So I'm rubbing some egg on the inside edge of the pie. This will help the pie to seal perfectly and prevent it from opening while baking. This is it guys, thank you for watching. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment. Thank you.